Hello and welcome to www.askmefast.com. Today I'll be answering the question, where can I get my Kindle charger port fixed? Now, you can actually do a search in your area on your device in order to actually find a repair area or repair store. And there are also other means. Website is National Repair Depot, and they specialize in fixing Kindles. They have a contact number, which is 1-866-780-7257 in order for you to actually call and get a quote. This is completely at your own risk for calling them and sending your device to actually get fixed, or you can in fact just contact Amazon and let them know of your situation, which is always the best idea in order to get your Kindle charger port fixed and get an estimate. Thank you for watching. For more questions, please visit www.askmefast.com.